para sa'yo. Huwag maiinip dahil ganyan ang buhay sa mundo. Huwag mawawalan ng pag-asa, darating din ang ligaya. Ang isipin mo'y may bukas pa na mayroong saya. Kabiguan, hindi hadlang upang tumakas ka. Huwag kang iiyak.
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday day, happy birthday.
Sige sir, dito ka pa. Tama mo si sir. Yan, happy birthday po. Bali, ang lahat lang po yan sir, galing po sa mga kapatid niyo po. Ano po yung konting mensahe niyo sir?
Salamat mga kapatid.
Okay na. Baka kayo ma'am.
Yan po yung aming babong poging boss. Mabait po siya. Mahal na mahal po namin si Sir Marlon. Happy birthday, Sir
Happy
Marlon.
birthday!
So sir, message naman.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Thank you.
Mahal na mahal po namin si Sir.
Ito na lang sir yung message po ng mga kapatid niyo. To our dearest brother Marlon, happy and blessed birthday, dear brother. We want you to know how much we miss you as time goes by, every day, every month, every year, and in every special occasion without you around. We understand that you have your own life and a different journey far from us. We may have arguments and misunderstandings, but at the end of the day, you're always in our hearts. All your sacrifices and love for our parents, for us your siblings, and for your nieces and nephews, especially when they were toddlers, will never be forgotten. You were always there, thoughtful on their birthdays, and especially when they were sick. Those moments will forever stay in our hearts. Always remember, blood is thicker than water. Whatever misunderstandings we have, the love we had for you will never fade. We love you so much. Wish you good health, happiness, and more blessings in your life. Love and prayers, Ate, Nixie, Merrick, and Dimple. Happy birthday po, sir. Bali yung mga kapatid niyo, sir, nasa ibang bansa po. Yung isa po. Bali kayo lang po yung nandito. Happy birthday po.